It's Jesse here. I just wanted to jump on and give you a quick message and let you know that we are going to be launching the Shift Challenge. This is a live workshop where we're going to take you through the process of building out your first, second, or third AI-powered automation as it applies to lead gen, lead nurturing, acquisition and sales, product and promise fulfillment, and or customer retention and ascension. These are the 5 core areas of business that we focus on in order to remove constraints and overcome challenges for our clients. And we want to show you how to leverage AI powered automation in order to methodically and systematically go out there and solve challenges facing your business. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're new to AI or you're a seasoned professional. We're going to be showing you how to leverage AI in order to automate your workflows as it applies to sales, marketing, and advertising. That's a big animal. And what we're doing is we're leveraging AI in order to compress timeframes and drive better results as it applies to those 3 core areas. I wanted to jump on here and give you an example of what I mean. So whenever we work with a new client, one of the first things that we do is we help identify their target before we go out there and refine how we're going to target them. What I mean is defining who is incredibly important when you talk about your messaging, advertising, copy, content creation, everything that goes into your marketing messaging, everything goes into advertising is going to be built off of who it is that we're targeting. We say it's important to define who before we go out there and refine how to target. So I'm going to take you through the process and how we've compressed this process utilizing AI so that you can see what it is that we're going to be doing in this Build It Live workshop called the Shift Challenge. So if I jump into the RazoRSharp CRM, we go into these RSN bots here. Let me shrink my head down here just a little bit. And we'll come in here and access our bot library. Now, the cool thing about this is we're building these out based off of our workflows. But in addition to that, we have this bot request here that gives us the ability to build out bot requests based off of your workflows as well. So it doesn't matter what industry you're in, whether you're in the medical industry, whether you're a tradesperson, you're a plumber, you're an electrician, whether you're a local service provider, and you're looking for tools in order to go out and grow your business as it applies to sales, marketing, and advertising, we have a workflow and a process that can support you in regards to doing that. The very first step in that process is defining who it is that you are targeting. So who do you believe what your customers' goals are? Well, I believe that my customers' goals are to grow their business, and to free up time with repetitive tasks. So grow your business, compress timeframes, free up time associated with repetitive tasks. Those are the goals of my dream customer. Where do they get their source of information from? Podcasts, as we all these days, online, some news, not much. Who are they from a demographic? Probably middle age, successful, business owner, family. So basically what I do is I just describe myself because I want to do business with people that share my same core values. Spiritual, focused, driven. What are some of the pain points and challenges they have? Time to learn new applications and tools. They're overwhelmed with business, need automation. Need growth plan. What are some of the objections? Of course, time is always an issue. Money, maybe. Budget concerns. with implementation. Do we need to talk to the decision maker? Yes. So we're going to go ahead and submit this. What this does is this creates a prompt. It actively builds a prompt for ChatGPT, and then it interfaces with the ChatGPT API in order to create an outline of who it is that we are targeting. Not only addition to the demographics, where they get their information, goals and values, challenges and pain points, potential objections. Now what I can do is I can copy and paste this, and I can utilize it in the next workflow, meaning that this will give me an outline of the demographic of the dream customer avatar. And I can utilize this information to go out and build content, regardless if it's email marketing content, SMS text messaging, whether it's advertising ideas, courseware, whether it's product development, whether it's business operations, and what it is that I need to be doing in order to serve this specific avatar more effectively. So this is just an example of how we're leveraging AI in order to help with every stage of the workflow as it applies to sales, marketing, and advertising. So just a sneak peek of the upcoming workshop, the Shift Challenge. This is going to be a Build It Live workshop as it applies to AI-powered marketing automations. And we're going to build these specific to your business. You're going to pick the channel, or you're going to pick the workflow, whether it's lead gen, lead nurturing, sales and acquisitions, product and promise fulfillment, and or customer retention and ascension. The only prerequisite to attending is that you have a free trial of the RazoRSharp CRM on high level in order to get access to the bots that we've built out and deployed there. So that's going to be a 14-day free trial. We're going to show you how to get results before your free trial is even up, so that you can justify moving into the very low-cost solution that we provide through the RazoRSharp CRM. So that's all I got for you guys today. Please let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and leave those in the comments or on the video itself. And hopefully we'll get a chance to speak in the very near future. And I'll see you on the Shift Challenge Build It Live workshop. Until then, make today and every day a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon.